The Sparrows and the Elephant. There lived a pair of sparrows in a forest. They had built their nest on a branch of a tree. Mother Sparrow laid eggs in the nest and looked after them. Both the sparrows lived happily. On a hot afternoon, a mad elephant wandered into the forest. It was tired and thirsty. It stood under the same tree on which the sparrows had built their nest. The elephant raised its trunk, caught the branch where the sparrows lived, and pulled it down. The nest fell down on the ground, and all the eggs broke. Mother Sparrow began to wail. Father Sparrow tried to console her, but in vain. A woodpecker heard Mother Sparrow lamenting. He came to her and said, "It is no use crying now. You cannot get back your eggs. Do not grieve for what you have lost forever." Mother Sparrow said, "You are right, but the cruel elephant has destroyed my eggs. If you are my friend, then think of a way to kill him." The woodpecker said, "All right, I will prove to you how clever I am. I will take the help of my friend, the fly. With her help, I will easily kill the elephant." Mother Sparrow said, "I will come with you." Father Sparrow said, "Come, let's all go together and kill the elephant." The three friends went to the fly and narrated the sad story of the sparrows. The fly said, "We must kill this cruel elephant. I think we should also take the help of the frog. He is my good friend." The four friends went to the frog. The frog heard the sad story and said, "Unity is strength. If we all get together and think of a plan, there is no reason why we cannot defeat the elephant and kill him." The five friends, Mother Sparrow, Father Sparrow, the woodpecker, the fly, and the frog began to discuss the problem of killing the elephant. After a long discussion, they thought of a plan. The elephant was taking rest under a tree. The fly went there and began to buzz into his ear. Before the elephant could do anything, the woodpecker sat on his forehead and pecked his eyes. The elephant became blind. His eyes were burning. Unable to bear the pain, he began to cry loudly. He could not see anything. He did not know what to do or where to go for help. Meanwhile, the frog, who was sitting near a deep trench, began to croak loudly. The elephant was parched. When he heard the croaking of the frog, he thought there was a lake in that direction. He started running towards the trench and fell into it with a thud. After a few days, the cruel elephant died of starvation and thirst. Thus, the five friends united and killed a big animal like the elephant. Father Sparrow was indeed proud of Mother Sparrow.